Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here from Squirrel Mills Farms, and Aubrey is going to help me make dumplings with a caramel sauce in a cast iron frying pan. We have 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and she's going to add 2 cups of water. We're going to turn it on and we're going to let that simmer while we're going to stir it all up. Oops. We're going to let that simmer while we make up the dumplings. Okay, Aubrey has been busy. She has been creaming 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of sugar. And now she is going to add the 1.5 cup of flour that she put 3 teaspoons of baking powder in. And now she's going to add 1/2 cup of milk. And it's going to make a really stiff batter. It's going to be stiff. Now our sauce has been bubbling away. It's getting really nice and thick. Go around the outsides first, sweetie. Now she's going to use 2 spoons and she's just dropping the dumplings in.
It looks like ice cream.
Okay, Aubrey's got the complete frying pan filled. There's no batter left. Now, oh, she found a little piece. Now we are going to put this lid on and we are going to have it sealed so no steam comes out. And that we are going to let cook for 20 minutes. No, for 15 minutes, sorry. Gently boil for 15 minutes. And do not open this lid. The key to having a nice dumpling is don't open the lid. If you're making stew and you're putting dumplings on top or anything and you lift that lid, you've let all the steam escape, and then you have to wait for the steam to come back up and you will have really tough dumplings. Okay, the moment of truth has arrived. Oh, look at that. Oh. Scoop one of those babies out. Oh, just look at that. Well, well, well. There's only Aub and I here. Wonder who's going to eat the rest of this. Hope it will freeze. Well, so that's cast iron cooking. Dumplings with caramel sauce. Oh, my back teeth are aching already. Have a wonderful evening, everyone.